Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through. I'm actually going to ask a question. Why can't I watch the 1080p of IQIYI content? So this is the thing. 1080p is exclusive to standard or premium VIP members. So if you're not a VIP member, you can join them now to enjoy high quality entertainment. And you see 1080p is not available for some content. You can send IQIYI the video title and they're willing to help you check if it is available in 1080p. Also check your network connection. If your network connection is relatively poor, the resolution may be automatically reduced to ensure the playback is smooth. If none of the things I mentioned applies, then log into your account and submit a feedback report within the IQIYI app. They are more than willing to help you. And if you want to know how to submit the feedback on your mobile app, simply click on me and then you see the option for feedback. Then if you want to use it, if you're using a web browser, at the top of the page, at the bottom of the page actually, you click on support and help and then click on feedback. Then you're using a TV app, you see go to settings, then click on feedback or me, and then from there you get to customer support. Hope you found this video helpful.